Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome to the Plug Podcast. We are here in Ward 35 in Sedibeng region. Today is a voting day. So we've got one of the comrades, commander leadership in the MK party. So we'd like to ask you one question. I just want you to just name yourself, and then after that I'm asking that question, my leader. How are you today, my commander? How are you feeling today? Today is the day.
Yeah, no, my name is Sipho Gift Manzi. I'm very, very, very happy. I'm in a high mood, high spirit because today is the day. Okay, definitely sure. Yes, the vote can change if provided youth iyeza ngobuninji babo, because amandla awe vote ahlezi kubo. So nxa bengeza bezovota, i-change izawuba khona because their cast is their voice. Yes.
Okay, thank you. That's what we wanted. We just want the youth to be part of this, what is happening to vote. If there's no youth, there's no future.
Yes, and we need to spread the weight on the ground as we're running on the ground. Which siba encourage youth. Youth ears which ima amandla ahlezi kubo. So if they are voting, because they are the ones, they are in numbers, in fact. Because abantu abadala sebediniwe ukuvota baphele amandla ababoni changes uyabona. So thina as MK party siyababiza ukuthi mabaze bazocasta ivote zabo zizoba ivoice ukuze nangomso like mabafuna i-changes kube zi-changes kodwa ezisentweni ezikwi-vote zabo.
Okay, yeah, my leader. Just one question.
Yes.
There's many parties here. ANC, DA, all of you are fighting for Ward 35. If MK win this ward, what are you promising to the community of Ward 35?
Isezandleni zikamkhanselara.
Yes, my leader.
Yes, as sikwizi by election nje nandithi.
Yes.
Si vote si different parties zizile zizoziveza then abantu bevota. Amandla akumkhanselara ozabe ekhethiwe uye ozabe ethatha imandate yabantu ukuthi abantu bafuna ntoni eWard 35.
Uchokuyo uyibethile
Salute.
enkosi my leadership.
Yes.